Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So let's start with our next zodiac sign, that is Virgo. Virgo, March 2021. Okay, let me see what Virgos have. Okay, let's see Virgos, March 2021. Well, March 2021, Virgos. I feel Virgos are totally getting into within themselves a little bit of spirituality. Somewhere they're connecting with their divine energies of the guru or the deity that they believe in. I feel there's a lot of celebration, happy kind of state of mind. Okay, in their aims and goals, basically they want to be rejoined with their twin flame soulmate. Wow, I don't know why I said that. It was guided. Okay, the first week of March for Leos is getting a new beginning. You will have a lot of youthful, young energy where you're going to feel very young, youthful, energetic, something that you want to actually restart in your life, something that might you might even work with youthful young people. Okay, you might even work with youthful young people. You yourself will feel very youthful and young, or maybe if you're a younger person, you're going to be stepping into some new space, new work, new energy. Okay, in the first week. Second week, I feel is going to get you a little fear of circumstances, fear that you may not be able to move from the place you are in, Virgos, where you feel that the circumstances are actually blocking your progress, that kind of an energy. You are going to feel a little low also in health. Please take care of your health. A little frustration might catch you. Reason is that your inner child is triggering Virgos a lot. Somewhere you don't have clarity because of your fears and circumstances, and your inner child, maybe something happened in your childhood, similar thing might trigger in your workspace and in your office or with your colleagues. Something like that. Sometimes your boss turns out to be that way. So somewhere there is some kind of a fear fear of circumstances. You fear to move forward, or maybe your circumstances are not allowing you to move forward, that kind of a thing in the second week. And the third week, I feel again, you will come out of that negativity within that week only, and you are going to step into a time where your work is going to get better. You're going to have money. You're going to have money. You're going to have. You're going to have some blocked money coming your way, or maybe some kind of project which will create money for you. Okay, which will create money for you. Okay, and then the fourth week you are going to achieve whatever you have worked for in that third week and even in the first week. Only the second week is going to be a little bit hard for you. Okay, but you are coming out of that energy anyways. The fourth week is very grounded, very stable, very good, especially for people in creative field. It is going to be even better. You're going to look out for, in fact, others and help others in the fourth week. So it's a very good week, and it's very stable time, the fourth week. Okay, so don't worry, Virgos. The first week will get you a new beginning. Second week will get you a little fear. Third week is going to have money in the hand, and fourth week anyway is a very stable and a very creative and a very winning time. Okay, good reading. Hope that sometimes you get fearful of a lot of things. Let's see now what we have in our relationship. Virgos are anyway very strong, my mother was a Virgo, and she was a very strong lady. And I feel Virgos are also very pretty, and my mother was very pretty, and they are very strong people, they're very knowledgeable people. That's what I feel. I have my knowledge from her. She was very smart. People used to come, to ask for help to her. Very similar to what I'm doing, but in a very different way. She wasn't into tarot card reading or astrology. She was just intuitive person, used to help, pray for others, do things for others, So let's see. Virgo, March, relationship, lot of healing. Okay, so Virgos are feeling very confused up till now. I feel they were in a very hermit mode where they had stepped back and felt very lonely because they needed to think. So now, what is happening is that you are a little confused which way to go, Virgos, in your relationship. Maybe you have a choice. You're releasing the old toxic patterns which you've been falling again and again and again and again in relationship area. In March, you're going to come out of that. You're healing. So please do some aura cleansing. Like I said, take a piece of alum, put it in the plastic bottle, add some vinegar, take it around your body 7 times and throw it in a public dustbin. Do it for a few Saturdays, it will help you. Uh, I see a lot of green energy. Also, at the same time, I see a lot of flowers, and especially here, I see like a purple flower. So maybe you need to connect with flower energy. Maybe some kind of a purple, like orchids. Orchids is purple, right? So maybe have some flowers at home that might help you heal. Or even when we buy some dried flowers, like dried, it could be dried sunflower dried, orchids dried, anything which we keep under a pillow, that also helps in a healing. So add some flowers to your life to heal. Okay, detach from the old toxicity. There's a lot of detaching energy. So this detachment could be a little emotional detachment is important, because when we get too emotional, things also get bad. So I think the old energy of you, of getting into wrong emotional entanglements, or maybe wrong emotional bonding, I think you're detaching from that in the month of March. You are working on your solar plex, because somewhere a lot of solar plex energy means a lot of control. Maybe you are coming out of somebody's control. You don't want to be controlled anymore. Anyway, Virgos are very free spirited. So somewhere in the month of March, you will come out of somebody's control and you will walk what your heart says. You will do what your heart says. And in your relationship, there's a lot of commitment and marriage, engagement, living in relationship, long-term plans coming for you, Virgo. There are a lot of marriage energy over here. Can you see this? A lot of marriage energy, commitment, living in something. People who are wanting to get married will get married. So relationships are healing in the month of March in a very beautiful way. You will marry, you will be committed. There is a lot of commitment energy in the month of March. But it is a general reading, so please take it that way. For few, yes, it is going to be commitment. And you are healing. Something about the old energies are leaving and the new beautiful ones are coming. Okay? Now let's see what we have in our fairy message. Everybody's going through a child issue. Your connection with children is a part of your life purpose. So maybe you need to connect with children. Maybe you need to work with street children. Like I said, this year, as much as you work with street children, it is going to benefit. So maybe you need to work with street children. Maybe you need to connect with children of your family. That will help you heal your situation. Right? So that's all. I hope you'll like the reading. Please comment in the comment box how you liked it and what more I can do for you all. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Tell your family and friends to do the same. And call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. And my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget to follow. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. Bye.